Let us look at this quadrilateral. Three angles of the quadrilateral are given 60, 80 and 120, and there are some unknown angles here represented by the alphabets A, B, X and Y. And the question says find the value of X plus Y plus A plus B. Here we will have to remember one property before solving this question, which is called the linear pair property or the linear pair axiom. What is the linear pair axiom? If you are having two angles which are lying along a straight line, the linear pair axiom says that the sum of those two angles will always give us 180 degrees. So, here we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degrees. So, in this question we will have to use this linear pair axiom and use this property to find out these unknown values. So, here in the first case we find that this is a line, the angle here is 60 degrees. So, A can be found out by subtracting 60 from 180, because A plus 60 should give us 180 by this linear pair axiom. So, A becomes 180 minus 60, therefore, the value of A is 120 degrees. Repeat the process here, we get the value of Y as 180 minus 80, that is going to be 100. The value of X similarly using linear pair axiom will be 180 minus 120, and 180 minus 120 we get 60 degrees. Now, to find the fourth angle, that is B, there is no term inside the quadrilateral, and therefore, this fourth angle has to be first found out. How do we find the fourth angle? Because this three angles are given and we know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So, what has to be done in this case is that we will have to add 120, the first angle, plus 80, the second angle, 60, which is the third angle, and this total is going to be 0 here, 6 plus 8 14 and 2 16, 1 carried over. So, we get 260 degrees as the total of the three angles. Now, if the total of the three angles is 260, the third angle, which is unknown at the moment, can be found by subtracting this total from 360. So, 360 minus 260, we will get 100 degrees. Now, the fourth angle that was unknown initially has now been found out, and that angle is 100 degrees, and therefore, we can say that B will be 180 minus, and this is 100 here. So, using linear pair axiom now it is easy to find out the value of B. So, 180 minus 100 we will get 80 degrees. So, we have the first angle, that is A, 120 degrees, the second angle Y as 100 degrees, the third angle X as 60 degrees, and the fourth angle B as 80 degrees. So, we have found out A, Y, X and B. Now, the question says find X plus Y plus A plus B. So, if you are going to add all this, so we get 120 and 100 as 220, 220 and 60 will give you 280, 280 and 80, the total will be 360 degrees. Now, here the total of these angles we have obtained as 360, and if you observe, all these are exterior angles. The exterior angles will always give you a total of 360 degrees. So, if you get any other answer besides 360, that means you will have to check on the calculation, because this is a very important property that if the exterior angles of a polygon are added, the result will always be 360 degrees.